The Battle Cats.
Let's roll.
Game too hard and boring after Empire of Cats 3. Plus the worst part about this game is the RNG when opening Cat.
Get out of App Store and Google Play, suckers.
I believe this is Fun Body in Stories of Legends Chapter Body and
the Dairy Farm.
The game is stealing money. Stealing.
God.
I just downloaded this game, and when I click on the button, they won't work and yet—
What the hell are you talking about?
It gets bland and repetitive too quickly.
If there was one word to describe it, it would be repetitive. I played till the part where you fight.
Nah, bad game. Gacha isn't even random. In fact, you can literally track and get exactly what you want.